In this video, I'll be showing you how you can find your collection IDs, block IDs, and section IDs by using the Squarespace ID Finder tool. The first thing you need to do is come into the Chrome Web Store and write out Squarespace ID Finder, and you'll find this app right here. Click on download. It's created by Will Myers, and it's a great tool, and it works very well when we're trying to find the IDs. I'll also leave you a link in the description so you can download it directly by that link. But other than that, you can also find it, as I said, on the Chrome extension store. From there, what we need to do is head over to our Squarespace website, as you can see that we have here. So what I have done to visualize this a little bit better is I've added a text block, a button block, a line block, an image, and also a shape block. What you then need to do to find all of these IDs is simply come up here to the Chrome extension that we just downloaded, this one right here. It will have this logo. Just click on it and you can see that a lot of IDs then show up. So let's just go through all of the IDs and also discuss what the differences are. The first ID that we see on the website is the collection ID. And this ID essentially targets the whole page. So that is great if you need to target the whole page. There you have the idea for that. Then going down the hierarchy, we have the section idea, which is for a specific section. So in this instance, it's for my hero section right here. Then you can also see we have the block ID for the text block, the block ID for the button block, and also for the line block. So what you can simply do then is, for example, target this block ID. If you only want to give custom CSS to this block right here, you can target this idea and, for example, give it another color, give it a bigger font, or even maybe change the font of only that block. The same you can also do for all the other IDs. Further down here, you can also see the block ID for the image and also for the shape block. And this will be for basically any of the blocks that you add onto your Squarespace website. They will have a unique ID that you can find by using this tool and just target it. The Squarespace ID Finder tool is very useful when you want to target unique IDs and get the custom code for them in order to add custom CSS or in case you need them for something else. So this was a very quick tutorial on how you can use the Squarespace ID Finder tool. If you find it useful, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, the links are down below. And as always, have a great day.